Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what will be coming in Allure's beauty box for November of 2020. I know this video is a little late, but I thought I would just go ahead and show you guys what is coming in November's box and if it would be worth the $23 or not. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now at the beginning of the video, I don't think so, but let the judge be up to yourself if you guys think it is. And I do want to address the email that people got because I haven't seen anybody else address the other email that people got, so I will talk about that right at the beginning. And yeah, if you guys are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, really quick, I do want to mention that I have a JEFFREE star giveaway going on right now. I will have it linked at the top of my description if you are interested. Now let's get into talking about this email. So I know a lot of people were talking about the email and I haven't seen anybody talk about the new email. So Allure has sent out an email saying that the beauty box was going to change to $23 starting in December, even though we started getting charged the $23 in October. So a lot of people were really confused about that, and they were like, why are they taking my money, you know, yada yada. Well, I actually got an email from them literally like a week later, a week and a half later, something like that. It was a long while. And then they said, oops, our bad. We did not mean to say that. It's not starting in December. It's already started. Scratch that. So I just wanted to address that. They did say, oops, we messed up. We didn't mean December. So I just wanted to mention that really quick for anyone who was confused. Now let's go ahead and get into the items and the prices. So first off, the Dermalogy Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum, which will be full-sized. Now this has a retail value of $42. It's a dual function facial plus décolleté overnight serum. Utilizes 3 types of concentrated amino acids to target the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores, resulting in a brighter, more even looking complexion. So I think that's actually really great, and it's definitely worth the value of the box, but you're just getting this one full-size product here that I'm just like, I don't know if that's going to be worth the $23 price tag when you're comparing this to, say, BoxyCharm, which is only $2 more. And then next spoiler is the Josephine Cosmetics Eye Dazzle in Leona. This is your other full-size product. Now this one I think is way overpriced. So they charge $30 for this liquid eyeshadow. I would have to say they are insane. Liquid metallic eyeshadow for 30 bucks. No ma'am, no one would actually go and buy it for $30. Is it a great value for the box? Yes, but I think that is just kind of like one of those filler items, in my opinion, that just boosts the value of the box to make it say, hey, we have, you know, over $175 value for only 23 bucks. No one would in their right mind pay $30 for this. Plus, I've never heard of this brand. I don't think. I can't remember. Next up, we have from Skin Medica. This is the Instant Eye Bright Mask, and you only get 1 set. Now, a 6-piece set is $48. So the 1 eye mask set is valued at $8. So, I mean, you know, I can see $8 being for like a set of eye masks, but like also it's an insane price. But yeah, the hydrogel patches that hydrate and reduce the appearance of puffiness. Great, but like, I don't know, not that great. I feel like they overdo it with face masks as an item, in my personal opinion. I don't know, I feel like, I don't know, whatever. Just let me know what you guys think about face masks being like items in the box. Anyways, from Neogen Dermalogy, the Real Ferment Micro Essence. Now this is something that is going to be a like sample size. Now the full size retails for $38, but it's currently on sale for $26.60. So it says a hydrating essence is formulated with more than 93% of microbial fermented complex, including bee phyta ferment, lysate. Actually, I'm not going to read anymore because that's a lot of words that I don't know how to pronounce. This naturally fermented essence is instantly absorbed into skin to maximize the skin benefits without leaving skin feeling sticky. It also helps create the best skin condition for next skincare steps, achieving a healthy, subtle, and glowing skin. So that sounds actually really nice, but that one is going to be in a sample size. Then we have the Manika Lip Bliss Lip Mask, which is going to be a full-size item. Now, this is actually a brand new product that has not released yet, or at least it's launching on November 15th. So you guys are going to be getting a brand new product from Manika. It says, also new this fall, experience the ultimate in the lip hydration and protection with the Manika Lip Bliss Lip Mask. The proprietary moisturizing formula delivers rich emollients and vitamins to shield against chapped or flaky lips. Blah, 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 blah. Definitely great to have during this time of year when our lips do get chapped and flaky and gross, but also, like, you know, that, I mean, I'm not hating this product, but, like, you know, chapstick works too. But I think it's really great that they're including a product that hasn't even launched yet in the box, so to say that I'm pretty impressed with that. Next up from Nature Lab Tokyo, this is the Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Now, this is also going to be a sample size, not the full size, but the full size only retails for $16. It says, clear your mind and your hair with this zen-inducing 3-in-1 foaming scalp scrub. Made with gentle exfoliating sugar crystals to clear product buildup, probiotic sake water to balance your skin's pH, and ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid for shine. It's the key to your healthiest hair ever. So it does sound really lovely. It does. Next up, the Acura Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Now, the sample size that I see listed here is only $4.50. And then the full size retails for $18.99. It says intense moisture for super thirsty skin types, adaptogenic ashwagandha, holly, basil. So basically this is aptogens and super greens, intense moisture for thirsty skin. So it's just to help really moisturize your skin. And then lastly, from the brand Win, the last choice is the Extra Hydrating Sheet Mask. So this sheet mask retails for $7. It's hydrating. It says when your skin is dry and needs extra hydration, quench the thirst and drench your skin in long-lasting moisture with Win, the last choice. And it's for all skin types, and yeah, it's just the one face mask. So that's all of the products. Basically everything in here is hydrating for the fall and winter time, for your lips, for your face. It's a lot of skincare. You get 2 makeup items, a highly overpriced metallic eyeshadow. I'm not sure the price of the Manika lip, it didn't say, but everything else sounds pretty good, and so does the hair scalp treatment thing that we talked about. But would I pay $23 for this box? I have to say it looks better. It looks better than the very first box. You would think that they wanted the very first box to be fantastic looking, but it wasn't. This one looks a little bit better, but would I still pay 23 bucks for 3 full-size items and some sample sizes? Absolutely not. I would rather just get BoxyCharm or Ipsy, where I can pick 3 of my products. So right now Allure is still on my poop list. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. And if you do have Allure, I think you can still try and get the locked in price for $13 a month if you do the whole year. For me, I'm just not like, I'm not going to worry about it. Or if you cancel, they'll give you like 2 or 3 months at the normal $15 price. But yeah, I don't want to fiddle with Allure right now anymore. I'm just kind of like, you know, not into it. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below of this. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!